today I'm going to share with you something exciting because I can't wait to see how it looks. I don't know if you watched my lighthouse, my dome lighthouse that you can use for Christmas or a decorative piece in your house or in your office, just somewhere, you know. I'm going to show you how to make several of them at a go and with a different shape. Let's see how this goes. I'm quite excited to see it. I'm sure it will come out different. So I can't wait to share this with you. Let me show you how we do this fun project. Fun, but mind consuming. And so what will we need? We will need this silicone mold. I really loved it. Thankfully, it came with a nice shape that I can't wait to see how the lighthouse will come out. We'll have some masking tape, a pair of scissors, some popsicle sticks for the lights, and I'll show you how we're going to use that right now. Some colors, and I have with me some fantasy yellow mica, orange mica, and sunshine golden. And we'll have this white glitter and the density white ink, alcohol ink, for the base, and I'll show you how to do that. And I've already mixed my resin because I wanted it to settle a bit so that when it goes in it's a little heavy, so that when we put the colors they're not sinking all the way down. And our hot gun, sorry, not our hot gun, we're going to use our flame gun. I know this silicone, but silicone can withstand a lot of heat, but you just have to be careful. We need to use it to remove the bubbles. The only one I won't mix right now is the base because it's going to wait a little while. And now we're going to put in our colors. This is the fantasy yellow, and we're not using a lot because we're just having a hint of color. Going to mix this up. The good thing with letting the resin also settle for a little while is that time also removes some of the bubbles, not all, but some of them. And because we are having a deep pour, it's hard to remove all the bubbles. And something else you'll notice, because the lights have air inside, we will not take away all the bubbles, but they will add some character. I don't know, check the card above. I don't know if you saw my previous one, the one that's dome shaped. The bubbles really added character to it. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my video uploads. Remember, I normally share with you my resin art, deco tips, life hacks, and my life's inspirations as I go through it, like living my life in Dubai, any travel, or my faith. Any questions, comments, please let me know in the section below or DM me at Juliet Migwi Inspires on Instagram. This is our light and our popsicle stick. And this is what we're going to do with it. We're going to cut some masking tape, fold it, stick it under, one more, stick it under, and then we're going to have this way, halfway like that. And then stick that popsicle down with another piece of tape on the inside. Make sure it's on the inside, like that. And then now, remember we've put our resin and color almost to the top. So then we're going to, because these are 6, I checked this is the better way of putting them. Then we're going to put this in like this. And because we don't, you see how it's moving? We don't want it to float away, so that it can stay straight. We are going to put tape here and tape on the other side. Okay, and we're going to do this for all of them, and then wait for it to cure almost hard, so that then we can put the base. This is all of them. After taping them, I'm going to remove this. Now what we need to do is put our white base in there. All right, so this is what we do. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Look at this. Look at that. Can't wait to show you how it looks with the light on in its place. So keep watching. Woohoo! I decided to add this extra step and add some color because when I put the shine, it's very shiny, but because we didn't get a lot of color on the inside, I wanted to introduce some color on the outside, and this is what I did. Check the description, check the information card above, because it has how we do this ink alcohol on glass to give different effects. And I decided to try this with the cling film and some alcohol ink. Let's see how it turns out. See how they blend. I'm just putting this on. I'm not putting it on the base, and just don't want it over the top, just like a glass stain look. used red, orange, and red. So when it dries, I'll show you our final look, because I had thought to leave it looking like this, but I said, hey, why not? Let's make it a little more special than it already is. Here they are. I want to unwrap them so that we can see how they are inside. Oh my, I didn't even expect this myself. All right, guys, I'm so excited about this. Now you need to wait to see the setup, to see how the light looks through these colors. So keep watching. Thank you for keeping watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my future videos. And if you have any comments or something you'd have done different, maybe the colors you'd have chosen for these blob lights, let me know in the comment section below, or follow me at Juliet Migwi Inspires on Instagram. And if you make your own, tag me, mention me, let me know what you think about this project. God bless you. Baraka Tele. See you on the next one.